Hi guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm back with another My Life in London vlog, and this video is going to be all about decorating my office space. The thing is, I'm not really enjoying my office space and I think it just lacks few things and it's quite blank actually, and I just want to spice it up a little bit so that I can start working from that space instead of this bed. Now talking about the decor, it's gonna be plain, simple, realistic and practical. So let's begin. So this is the office space that I'm talking about, just a table, chair and a laptop, and at the back you can see there's this huge window, and the thing is, privacy is a major issue. So the first thing that I'm going to do is conceal these windows and then we'll move on to this space. Before I move forward, I want you guys to know that this video has been kindly sponsored by Space Tailor. Space Tailor offers high quality pattern designs to printing companies. These designs are hand-drawn by artists and it's beautiful and pretty. These designs are printed on Vailish. Now what is Vailish? Vailish is a self-adhesive film. It is eco-friendly. You can easily install it on your windows and make it look really lovely, have all that natural light come into your apartment, and the privacy, which is a major issue. You don't have to worry about it. So I got this really amazing package all the way from Korea, and look at this. It is so beautiful. I felt the packaging was really amazing and also the quality of the products. It is so pretty and I am so excited to use it. I love the print as well. It's floral. You can find so many different prints on their website. They have got tropical prints, boho prints and so much more. So after wiping the glass surface with some alcohol, I am just peeling it off and I am ready to install it on my windows. It's quite easy actually, and it is not at all difficult. You just have to know the trick. Just pull it, and of course you have to at the same time press it so that it releases all the air bubbles. Now using a ruler and a paper cutter, I'm just going to cut this off and peel it. I have used the excess part as a design and it looks lovely. For my adjacent windows, I have chosen white Vailish, and in the similar order, I am going to install it. This is how it looks and I really love it. I have kept some blank space above and beyond. If you want to do it the similar way, you can do it, or you can cover the windows entirely. I love how it looks and it is so lush. Now let's move on to the desk area. I'm going to remove this old frame, and I already had these travel frames on the other wall, which I'm going to transfer on this wall because I don't know why, I really wanted travel inspiration right next to me while working. I'm using these wall safe command tapes to stick the frames on the wall. This table that you see is actually my dressing table, which I've transformed into an office table, and I am going to use this beautiful colorful rug just to add a quirky touch to the entire decor. I got this from Amazon. Now to add some more color, I am going to use this pink mat over the table, and I think light was missing, so I'm going to use command tapes and hang this beautiful hello light on the wall. I always wanted to use a grid memo board, so I found this on Amazon. It's beautiful rose golden color, and here I am hanging it in a similar fashion. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful motivational quote, so colorful. It says, "Be kind, be yourself, keep up the good work, you are one in a million." I'm also going to add beautiful pictures of my parents and my childhood pictures. I wanted to add this because I miss them every day, and I think while working, seeing them would inspire me to work better. If you're looking for something to keep your laptop at your eye level, then this handy tool is amazing. This stress relief mist from Forest Essentials is a must while working, and obviously my pen stand and my favorite candle from IKEA. It smells amazing. I always burn it. Just because of this gorgeous printed veilish, privacy is not an issue at all. I can have all the natural light and this space. Oh my god, I would love working here. So did you like the decor? I really love it. It's very quirky and fun, and yeah, I just love the overall vibe. I hope you guys like it too. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And if you want more such videos, decor videos I would say, then comment and let me know. Bye for now.